People live in illusions or people live in non-illusion. There are two types of people. If you don't have any illusion, you are enlightened. If you got illusions, you are yet to be enlightened. And the greatest illusion is there is death. There is no death. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says there is no death. Nobody can die. Na hanyate hanyamane sharire. When the body dies, the soul does not die. Na hanyate hanyamane sharire. The Bhagavad Gita starts with no death concept. Krishna starts Bhagavad Gita with no death concept. Na jayate mrite va kada chinnayam bhutva bhavita va na boyah ajo nitya shashvatoyam purano na hanyate hanyamane sharire. What is Bhagavad Gita talking about? Why it is such a great document in the whole world? Because it starts with no death concept. Arjuna tells Krishna, how can I kill my grandfather, my guru, my brothers, my cousins? How can I kill? Then Krishna answers, you cannot kill. There is no killing at all. You are only separating the souls from the bodies. You cannot kill anybody. So the whole Bhagavad Gita is nothing but a document on no death. Being a Hindu, being a believer in Bhagavad Gita, if you are crying for death, you are stupid. Totally stupid. If you are a Hindu, then you must go by the Bhagavad Gita. But you are not going by the Bhagavad Gita. You are not a Hindu. Same thing with all other religious texts, whether it is Bible or Quran, there is no death. So, the basic thing is, if you are a Hindu, if you are a Christian, if you are a Muslim, then there is no death. Only for atheists and communists there is death. For religious people there cannot be any death because this is all religion. Religion means existence of God, existence of life after death. That's religion. Understanding the size of life after death is spirituality. Their beliefs in their own religions are not at all strong. Their beliefs in their own particular religions is very, very superficial. We want everybody to believe in their own religions very, very perfectly. Then they all become enlightened. Religion itself means life, belief in life after death. In Islam, nobody cries for death. They all celebrate death. Nobody cries for death. They know that there is no death. So, read Bhagavad Gita to understand that there is no death. And live by the Bhagavad Gita. If you think you are a Hindu, if you think you are a Christian, you must live like Jesus Christ. If you think you are a Christian, I don't know what you think about yourself. If you think you are a spiritual scientist, then teach that there is no death to anywhere. That is a spiritual science. In spiritual science, we understand that there is no death. We will teach that to everybody. We are eternal souls, always traveling like a free bird in various dimensions. See a free bird in the sky and you are like that, always. So what are you complaining about yourself? You are a free bird. All the time. Whether you are born or whether you are dying, you are a free bird. Everybody is a free bird. What a beautiful sight to see free birds everywhere.